Hello students, today teacher Andy from 591 Lab will guide everyone to introduce our set of HCIE Datacom Lab racks, which are 100% identical to those found in the examination room. So at the top here, we have our Campus X core switch, and then in the middle, there's our wireless controller, Huawei Access Controller. Over here is our firewall. The middle section is where our Campus X aggregation switch is located. Here, you can see the corresponding stacking lines. Below, we have our 4 access switches, and behind them, our access points have already been connected. They are also connected via Ethernet cables to our Windows-based terminals. We can see this terminals on our topology diagram, right? This terminal is quite simple. It is implemented through virtualization. Then, down here, we have our Campus Y core switch, aggregation switch, and access switch. Similarly, they are connected to access points and our Windows terminals. Now, looking at this cabinet, upon opening it, we can see many console cables connected here. These are for the devices in X Campus, Campus Y, and the WAN devices, along with a server located below. This server is used to run iMaster NCE, a cloud management network controller, right? It runs our SD-WAN related functions, in other words, supporting our Campus Y. At the same time, our WAN is also integrated into this server and the router above, enabling their interconnectivity. This is the entire HCIE Datacom experimental rack setup, a 1.1 replica of what you'll find in the examination room. What you're currently seeing is just one of the sets. We can ensure that there are 5 sets running simultaneously, satisfying the needs of many students practicing online at the same time. Okay, that's all for the rack introduction. Later, we can take a look at the topology against the rack's setups. Okay, goodbye.